how to reset the settings on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So if you're having any kind of issue with your computer, then you may need to go in, reset all of your settings. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first step is you need to click on your Windows icon to bring up the start menu, and then you can just click on settings. From this left hand side, click on system, and then you'll need to scroll down this page and click on recovery. It will say reset this PC, click on the reset button. Now you'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So we're going to click on keep my files to make sure none of your personal data is going to be deleted. It will then ask how you want to reinstall Windows, either a cloud download or a local reinstall. So we're going to choose the local reinstall, but if this doesn't work, you can also try the cloud download. Now do bear in mind that this will go in, remove any third-party apps that you have installed on your computer, but all of your personal data, such as your photos and files, this is not going to be deleted, it will stay on your computer. So just go through these steps by pressing next, and once your PC is reset, that will also reset all of your settings.